So Nathan, how's your day so far?
It's pretty good.
Oh, that's good. Man up, bro. Broski, whatever you want to call it.
Hey guys.
To think we deal with this in more than half of the year.
Especially since we live by the mountains.
Actually, not even.
It's cold on my back because that's the way the wind's going. Oh, look, there's people.
Have fun. Time to make some friends, Nathan.
Yeah. They're scared of me.
Everyone's scared of you.
She just called me an idiot. That was mean. That was really mean. She called me an idiot.
Oh my god, that's funny.
It's not funny. Hurt my feelers, man. I'm actually pretty used to this now. I have to do this all day.
Go walk on the lake.
No, because then if I fall through
You totally won't die.
no, I won't die. I'll be okay.
Hey Nathan, say hello to your fans.
Hi, fans.